Topic probability. Let's start. Probability. So what is probability? Probability. In 8th standard you have done. In 8th standard you have already done probability. But I'm going to explain about the meaning of probability. The word is probability. It is assumption. It is not sure. The condition is not sure. What will happen? It might be. It is uncertain. If certain is there, the certain condition is there, then it is not probability. Okay. So probability means uncertainty. So how to find out the uncertainty of the given expression? Suppose there are two conditions: total outcome and favorable outcome. Total outcome, in the language of mathematics, sometimes it is said that sample space, and favorable outcome is also considered as events. So there are terms: total outcome, or someone can say sample space. Okay. Another term related to this total probability term is, second term is favorable outcome. And then it is also known as events. So what is the meaning of these terms? So whatever the concept is given in the question, that is called total outcome. Total means A to Z. And if you are going to choose anything at random, you are going to select anything at random, that is your favorable outcome. Total outcome मतलब क्या हो गया? जो टर्म्स आप निकाल रहे हो, मतलब जो कंडीशन दिया रहेगा, दैट इज टोटल. उसमें कुछ सिलेक्शन नहीं, कुछ नहीं. लेकिन फेवरेबल आउटकम इज जो आप चूज कर रहे हो, दैट इज योर फेवरेबल आउटकम. ओके. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी formula of the probability is given terms is equal to favorable outcome upon total outcome. Got it? Probability of given terms is favorable outcome upon total outcome. Right? So favorable outcome means whatever you are going to select, and total outcome whatever terms is given in the question. Okay. So every time you know not to write this all. See, I'm just going to give you the roughly knowledge about it. Actually how to write, I'm telling you later. So suppose that A is any event. That is a favorable outcome. So PA will be number of favorable outcome upon total outcome. PA is the number of favorable outcome upon total outcome. Okay. Now, to illustrate this all, you must have to know by some example. Suppose, now I am going to tell you, I am going to take numbers 1 to 50. What I said? Number 1 to 50. Question is going to ask, what is the probability of getting perfect square? What is the probability of getting perfect square in between 1 to 50? So total number is 1 to 50. That is number of total outcome how much? 50. And favorable outcome how much? Now, understood the question? Question was that number of total outcome 50. I said favorable outcome. Condition, what condition was there for favorable outcome? The condition was it should be a perfect square. So what are the numbers in between 1 to 50 which are perfect square? Look, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. So what are the numbers? These are your favorable outcome. Why it is known as favorable outcome? Because you are going to choose these numbers to find out the probability of the given terms. So it is 1, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of favorable outcome how much? Number of favorable outcome is 7. Now, nothing to do. Set the value in the equation, in the given expression. So, PA equal to number of favorable outcome upon total outcome. So, PA will be, yeah, PA, sometimes you can see PB, PE, it's up to you. What you are going to assume about the favorable outcome. So, 7 upon 50. And this is your answer. So, this is a rough sketch, okay? Close it. Some of the important terms related to the probability we are going to discuss. Probability of event always less than 1 and greater than 0. So probability of, suppose that you are going to say sure event is there. Sure event means certain. Suppose as I bolte ho ki today is going to rain. Surely it's going to rain. So it is not probability, it is certainty. So in case of certainty, your probability will be 1. Okay? Now, suppose there are two cases. Suppose I am going to play something. Suppose I am going to play something, anything, and the probability of that is 3 by 4. So what about the not playing? So on that time, you know what you have to use? PA plus PA not equal to 1. This is your favorable outcome. This is the against of the outcome. So PA plus PA not equal to 1. Suppose that I am going to say one person is going to win the race. One person is going to win the race and its probability is 1 by 4 or 0.25. So what is the probability of getting loss of the race? On that time it will be what? Nothing. 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, or you can say 0.75. And generally, probability always keep in fraction. No need to write in decimal. This is the standard form of probability. Probability always written in the form of fraction, not in decimal terms. Clear? So once again I am going to repeat. Might be you are not able to understand this concept. If a PA is probability of the given expression, then PA naught is against of this probability, and sum of the PA plus PA naught equal to 1. What I said? The gain of, to win the race is 1 by 4. So what is the loss of the race? So 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So PA again one new form. What is this? Probability of favorable outcome plus probability of not favorable outcome is how much? 1. Clear? Now, this is now another terms is some special cases. Some special cases. So what are these cases? So first clarify all these things. Suppose I said, you know, coin, you toss the coin. In coin it's written head and tail, right? If I said I toss the coin twice, or I see there is a only difference of the wording. If I said I just tossed a coin twice, or I said two coins tossed together, the same meaning. That is your head. It might become if I just toss coin 2 times, head, or I'm just going to say I just tossed coin twice, then also same meaning. 2 coin or twice, same meaning. Again, once it can come head, tail, head, or tail. That is the case of twice. But if I said I just tossed the coin 3 times or 3 coins tossed together. So in case of 3 coins or thrice. That is your head, tail, H. Now look, what are the terms remain? TH. Okay, one more thing is left. HTT, and then TTT. Got it? Look at how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number is NS. Yeah, NS means what? That is your total outcome. Always to write in longer form total outcome is very tough. Only you have to write first NS in the symbolic form. NS is you must have to write NS is number of total outcome. That is also called sample space. And now I ask find the probability of getting 2 head. I ask find the probability of getting 2 head. So 2 head in this case. So total number is how much? 4. And S is your A, that is your right on the bracket. Total number of outcome. And E is how much? 4, that is your number of favorable outcome. Apply that P equal to NE upon NS. What is this? That is 4 upon 8. 4 to the 8. That is your 1 upon 2 is your answer. Clear? About the coin. Now, we are going to start to discuss about the dice. Dice, Ludo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is written. In dice it is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And generally, if anyone asks, 2 dice. So many people give the concept that the total number of outcome is the 12. No, not at all. How? See, आपके पास 2 डाइस है. How many dice? 2 dice. अब 8 dice में 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 written. In other dice also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. देखो अगर एक सिंगल डाइस है then it's okay. But if I just ask you 2 dice or a dice thrown twice, on that time it will be 2 cases. So generally in your mind you can say it is 12, but it is totally wrong. Not 12. How? Look, by iska 1 can pair with that 6, 2 can pair with these 6, 3 can pair it, 4, 5, 6. Like this, if you are going to say, then how much it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, 5-6, 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, 6-4, 6-5 and 6-6. Now tell how many numbers are there total. So don't start to count. So very smart thing there. In first row how many? 6. And how many columns are there? 6. The total number of sample space how much? Total number of sample space is 36. You can say number of outcome or sample space. How much it is? 36. Now on the behalf of these, there are so many types of questions you might be asked. Sometimes it can be asked by find the doublet or pairing number. Means same. Doublet means same number. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. This is called doublet or similar number or paired number. So in case of such condition, what is the probability of this? So total number of sample space how much? 36. Okay, total number of sample space how much? 36. Now pairing number is how much? Look here, everywhere 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, 6 pair. So how much is the total? 6. So then PE is what? NE upon NS. Again I am repeating every time whenever you will do this one. So not in your notebook, only write in the top NE, P equal to NE by NS, where NE is number of favorable outcome and NS is number of total outcome. But during exam, you must have to write everywhere. But in your notebook for practice, don't waste your time. Everywhere you can write P equal to NE by NS. But at the top, please write down NE is the number of favorable outcome and NS is total outcome. Okay, so you have the top, you have write N is the number of favorable outcome, NS is the number of total outcome, P is the probability of given favorable outcome, and this is your total outcomes. Okay, so I just asked to find the probability of getting doublet. So doublet means or paired number 6 by 36. That's your one more thing. Always reduce in the lowest term. Don't keep it only on that term, otherwise you will reduce for 1 marks. So this type of question it might become. Again, in the same condition, I ask you, find the probability of getting, same question getting sum as 10. What is the probability of getting numbers as their sum is 10 or 9, whatever. So 10 लेते पहले, देखते 10 क्या आएगा. So paired number में 10 आना चाहिए आपका. See 1 to 6 कोई भी number ऐड करते हो, you are not going to get 10. 2 to 6 you are not going to get 10. 3 to 6 no number, because see last number is 3 6. 3 6 means 3 plus 6 how much? 9. So 3 6 till 3 6 you are not going to get sum as 10. So which number is then? 4 4 4 8 4 5 9 4 6 10. Right? Again 5 5 4 9 5 5 10. Again 6 3 9 6 4 10. So N is how much then? Again, concept there. N is how much? 3. N is how much? Already 36. So P how much? That is 3 upon 36. 1 by 12. ये तो इजी सी बात थी. अब मैं थोड़ा सा इसको ट्विस्ट करता हूं. I'm just going to make some twist questions. Twist क्या कर सकते हैं? If I ask you, find the sum of probability getting at least 9. Find the probability of getting sum at least 9 if two dice or a dice thrown twice. Means if you are going to throw a dice twice or 2 dice in the same time, so what is the probability of getting at least sum? See, अभी at least बोलते हैं और at most बोलते हैं जरा. अरे भाई इतना तो पढ़ ले, जैसे बोलते हो ना क्लास में हम लोग बोलते रहते ना कि एटलीस्ट इतना तो पढ़ कि 80% मार्क्स आ जाए. मतलब वी हैविंग मोर एक्सपेक्टेशन देन 80%. एंड समटाइम यू कैन से भाई तू कुछ भी कर ले, मैक्स टू मैक्स 80% ले आ. मींस you are going to get at most 80%. So there is a difference between at least and at most. So I said at least 10 means 10 or more than 10. So look. 10 or more than 10 means what? कितना टाइम हो गया वीडियो?
8 second, 8 minutes 42 seconds.
Okay. 4 6 right? Then again 5 5 5 6 6 5 6 6 and 6 4 also. 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. See, 10, 10, 11, 10, 11, 12. What I said, at least 10 means 10 or more than 10. So, यहाँ पे P कितना हो जाएगा? NE upon NS. What is NE? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 upon 36. It will be 1 by 6. Clear? Is it clear? So, this is one concept. One more thing I want to tell you. These are the two cases we discussed. One is the case of coin, second case of dice. So there are so many questions. Whenever you will do, might be you are going to get some doubts. I'll be there. Don't worry. Now, third case, an important case. That is the case of playing cards. There are 52 cards in the playing cards. Playing cards वही जिसमें लिखा रहता है 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So there are 4 suits. One is red color heart, 13 diamond, 13. It is also red. Spades, black, 13, and then club, black, 13. Okay, so each having same numbers of cards, only the difference is their colors and symbol. So cards are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. S, Jack, that is your represented as J, Queen, written as Q, and King, that is your King. J, Jack, King, and Queen. These three having face, and rest all have without face cards. So these are known as face cards, and these are our normal cards. So in every packet there is a 13, 13, 13, 13. So there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. S, Jack, Queen, King. Okay, so if I am going to ask you, how many face cards are there? So here, 3 face cards. Here, 3 face card. 3 face card. And 3 face card. So total number of face cards how much? 3 into 4, that is your 12 face card. How many face cards are there? 12. Now working is as it is. If suppose I ask you, find the probability of getting heart. If I ask you, find the probability of getting heart. So how many cards are there of heart? How many cards? 13 cards. So probability of that card is how much? 13 upon how much? Total number is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your 52. 1 by 4. Now if I ask you, find the probability of getting face card. How many face cards are there? 12. That is your 12 upon 52. That is 4 3 are 4 13 are. So 3 by 13 is your answer. If I ask you, find the probability of getting red face card. Which face card? Red face card. So then it will be PE equal to, see you can change, I just say the beginning, you can change your terms also. You might write PR, whatever you want. But if you are going to write PR, so you must have to write probability of given favorable outcome. So P, I said red card, 6 upon 52. That is 3 upon 2 3 and 226. So 26, right? Now I'm going to just twist the question. Find the probability of getting red cards if all the face card is removed from the packet of cards. Listen to the question. Find the probability of getting red cards if I remove all the face cards. So how many face cards are there? 12 cards. Total cards then how much? 52 minus 12. By 52 cards tha, I said remove the 12 face card. So how much face card is there? 40. कितने बचे? 40. Now I said find the probability of getting probability of red card. अब आपके पास में red card कितने हैं? Red card कितने थे total? देखो red card के total source कितने होंगे? 13 heart and 13 diamond. How much total? 26. Total card how much? 26. But I said I have to remove face card. So red के कितने face card होंगे? फिर से देख लो इधर. Diamond, heart, club, spades. इसके फेस कार्ड कितने? 3. ये कौन सा रेड है? फेस कार्ड. हाँ, इसके कितने? 3 रेड. इसके कितने? 3. हाउ मच इट इज? ब्लैक. 3. हाउ मच इट इज? Black. So total how much? 12. I said you have to find out the probability of getting red card. 6 removed. So how much red cards now? So red card is how much left in this question? 26 minus 6, that is 20. So probability how much? 20 by 40. Okay, these are the concept of your probability. I hope it is very easy exercise. Once you start to do, whatever your doubts, you can ask.